Hello, welcome back to Code with Shashank, and in this video I will teach you how to build a APK from a React Native app for Android. So if you want to reduce your APK size, you need to do some changes to some of the Gradle files under Android folder. So first of all, go to Android folder, inside that app folder, and inside build.gradle file you need to do some changes. That is, first of all, find this variable, that is enable separate build per CPU architecture, and change the value from false to true, and also change this variable, that is enable ProGuard in release builds. What this does is it builds separate APKs for different CPU architecture, and what this variable does is this simply removes some unused dependencies from your APK. You can see these are the different type of CPU architectures for which APK is going to be built, and find signingConfigs, and below that add another signingConfigs with the release and an if check. Don't worry, I'll leave the code in the description below. You can copy that from there, or you can download the whole code from my GitHub page. Save this file and open gradle.properties under Android folder and not app folder. Don't get confused with those files like build.gradle, gradle.properties, gradlew, settings.gradle. It is gradle.properties file. And at the end of the file, add these lines. Now this keyword is not same. I will say from where did I get this keyword. First let me just save this. So open the terminal and navigate to Android/app folder with the command cd Android app and hit enter and paste this command. I have given this command down in the description. It is pretty long command. What this command does is it will ask you some questions and create a file inside this app folder which is used to signing the APK. Signing the APK is important. Let's execute this command, and this is where I get this keyword. Enter the password anything you want, and remember to replace your password with this over here. So I will just say hello world and re-enter this password, and it will ask you some questions like your first name, last name, where do you live, and all that. You can give your name, or I'll just keep it unknown, and at the end it will ask if it is correct, and I will say yes. You can see this will create a file in my app folder, and let's navigate one folder up to Android folder and execute the command by /gradle w assemble release. This will build your APK. Let's hit enter. And you can see build is successful. And if you open the folder of your app, under Android folder, under that app, under that build, outputs, APK, release, you can see all the APK for different CPU architecture. Now if you don't know which CPU architecture is yours, there is an app to find out, that is called Droid Hardware Info. I will also leave the link in the description below, and from there you can see which CPU architecture is yours. It is most probably ARM64V8A, and if you want to publish this in Play Store, publish all the APKs and let Play Store worry about which CPU architecture is best for the user. So this is how you build a APK from React Native project. Like the video if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials like this one.